and welcome. We are so thrilled that you're interested in pursuing a degree in civil engineering here at Clemson. I'm CJ, the Undergraduate Student Services Manager for the Glenn Department of Civil Engineering. Thanks to the generosity of Gerald and Candace Glenn, we are one of the few endowed departments in the nation. Also, in 2017, we were the recipients of an NSF IU's Red Grant, which focuses on revolutionizing the way that engineering is taught, as well as improving diversity and inclusion in the field. Civil engineering is one of the broadest engineering fields. Think about looking out, and anything you see, most likely a civil engineer has touched. It's very important for civil engineers because they maintain our infrastructure to make sure that society can function to its fullest ability. I'd like to take a moment and share a quick video with you so you can get a full sense of what you would be doing as a civil engineer. I don't know about you, but that looks pretty exciting to me. So let's talk about the concentration areas of civil engineering. There are 7. There's transportation engineering, structural engineering, environmental and sustainability engineering, geotechnical engineering, materials and construction engineering, and construction and management engineering. And last but not least, water resources engineering. So now I'd like us to play a game. This is something that we typically do during our face-to-face tours. So what I'm going to do is show a picture. Pause your video, take a guess at what concentration area the picture represents, and then press play to see if you got it right. So here's our first picture. Pause your video and take a moment to guess what concentration area of civil engineering this picture represents. Did you guess water resources? If you did, you got it right. Think about this next picture. Take a moment. What concentration area does it represent? Did you say transportation? Way to go. This picture shows an image of bio-cement treated Martian soil. What concentration area might this picture represent? Did you say materials? Awesome. Here are 2 walls of sandbags. Can you think about what concentration area this picture represents? Did you say structures? Congratulations, you got it right. And for our last picture, take a moment and think about what concentration area this picture is representing in civil engineering. You got it, environmental and sustainability. If you got these right, and even if you didn't, you're well on your way to becoming a civil engineer. So now let's talk about what civil engineering looks like here at Clemson. Our department currently has 29 full-time faculty who teach our undergraduate and graduate students. We have about 110 graduate students and about 380 undergraduate students. Can you see the picture below? This is from our hard hat ceremony, which is where we welcome our new sophomore civil engineering students into the program by presenting them with their own Glenn Department of Civil Engineering hard hat. I'd also like to point out our department values. Here in the Glenn Department of Civil Engineering, we value integrity and honesty. We're student-focused. We believe in having a strong sense of community. We promote service. And we always know that there's room for continuous improvement. This picture represents our Arch Initiatives program, which is mainly funded by the NSF Red Grant. Take a moment and look at the different components. These are all of the things that are going into our program to make sure that our students, when they graduate, are thriving and full-fledged civil engineers. If you have any questions about the initiatives, feel free to reach out to me and ask any questions. I'm happy to provide answers, and I'll be including my email at the end of this presentation. Our undergraduate program is ranked nationally among the top 20. We have strong faculty-student relationships, and we're an ABET accredited Bachelor of Science degree, meaning that you can sit for your FE and PE exams. I'd like to now tell you a little bit about our curriculum. So as you enter as a freshman, you'll be entering the General Engineering program. This is where you get an introduction to engineering and foundational coursework. During your sophomore year, you may declare yourself a civil engineering major. Here's where you'll continue your foundational coursework with a more civil engineering focus. In your junior year, you'll have a broad introduction to civil engineering courses, and these will cover all 7 concentration areas. Then, in your senior year, you can decide to do an in-depth exploration of civil engineering, or you can keep things broad. It's up to you. Now I'd like to tell you about another opportunity we have here at Clemson. It's the Bachelor's to Graduate program. This is when students, as undergraduates, can take up to 6 credit hours that may go toward their bachelor and master's degrees. In order to participate in this program, you must have a 3.4 GPA or higher. In addition to the awesome curriculum, we have several professional development and research opportunities for our students. These include the co-op program, where you spend 3 rotations during various semesters at companies practicing as a civil engineer. There's also internship opportunities, where you can do this over the summer, where you're working at a civil engineering firm. We also have creative inquiry projects where undergraduate students can participate in real live research with faculty and graduate students. We also have a number of awesome study abroad opportunities for our students. In addition to the professional and research opportunities that we also have a number of amazing student organizations that we encourage our students participate in. In orange, these tend to be the more professional and leadership and organizations and honor societies. For example, we have an ASCE, American Society of Civil Engineers, student chapter, which is under our professional organization. We also have Chi Upsilon Honor Society, the Institute of Transportation Engineers, the Structural Engineers Association. We have Civil Engineering Undergraduate Student Advisory Council that students may participate on to provide feedback and ideas for the department. We have our Cement Peer Mentoring Program, where students as sophomores are mentees and then have the opportunity to become mentors in their junior and senior year. We have our student ambassadors, who are our recruiters for our department and Clemson. And in purple, these are typically going to be your creative inquiry teams, such as Steel Bridge, Concrete Canoe, Imagine, Engage Dominica, and Clemson Engineers for Developing Countries. So I want to say that these are a lot of student orgs, and it's been a lot of information thrown at you. And so if you have any questions about any of these opportunities, please don't hesitate to ask. In addition to your face-to-face lectures, you'll have many hands-on lab experiences. We have Geomatics Lab, Geotechnical Lab, Materials Labs, and Water Resource and Transportation Labs. I hope that this brief presentation has provided you with some insight into what your experience might be at Clemson if you choose to come here to pursue your civil engineering degree. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact me at cwboldy@clemson.edu. Thank you, and go Tigers!